Well, we are learning more about this week's tragedy in Dubuque County and the relationship between the person of interest and one of the victims. Tonight, court documents are offering some new perspective on the relationship between Alexander Grunke and Tana Poppy. The two were previously in a relationship but then broke up. KWWL's Daniel Pro joins us now live in the newsroom with more on this disturbing tragedy. Daniel.
Elizabeth, in the fall, Tana Poppy asked for a restraining order against Alexander, saying she wanted him to leave her and her children alone. Back in March, authorities arrested and charged Grunke for violating that order. The court records include text messages where she calls him a predator of children. In what appears to be a domestic dispute, 3 people, including a 13-year-old, are dead. The 5-month-old baby, Alexander Grunke, and Tana Poppy shared, survived.
They are dangerous situations anytime you get personal emotions involved.
Court documents say Poppy got a domestic abuse injunction against Grunke until 2027. As part of that, he was not allowed to have guns.
Sometimes it gets sticky if there's a no contact order in place.
Jen Dixon, a housing advocate for Friends of the Family, which works with survivors of domestic violence, says every case is different, but sometimes a no contact order can make things worse.
Sometimes a piece of paper is just that. It's just a piece of paper. And with the controlling aspects of the abuser, that can make them very angry.
Dubuque County Sheriff Joe Kennedy says domestic violence can happen to anyone, anytime.
It happens to people of all races, genders, sexual orientations, top or bottom of the socioeconomic ladder.
Dixon says it can be hard for survivors to leave dangerous situations.
Their mental health or manipulation, or them not having the courage maybe to leave for financial reasons.
Dixon says there are signs to look for indicating someone is in a domestic violence situation.
If you see something, say something. If that survivor would happen to go in the bathroom, you could follow them in the bathroom and just say, hey, are you okay?
And for those in a situation themselves, there is help.
Situations are different, but know that there is support out there.
And there are several domestic violence programs in eastern Iowa. There's Helping Services and Waypoint Services. Friends of the Family offers shelter and resources to those in need. So if you do need help, there are plenty of people that can point you in the right direction. In the newsroom, Daniel Pro, News 7, KWWL.
All right, Daniel, thank you. And you can contact the Iowa Domestic Violence Hotline at the number here on your screen, or you can text Iowa Help to 20121. We have a full list of resources as well on our website, kwwl.com.